This is a review of the 10 best coffee grinders. CAPRESSO 560, Infinity Conical Burr Grinder. Elegant, timeless, and user-friendly design. For maximum aroma and flavor retention, nothing beats the Infinity Conical Burr Grinder series. Computer-controlled special grinding heads cut the angles and shapes of the steel burrs to within 0.1 mm precision, 1/250 of 1 inch. Burrs are produced as matched pairs and are hand-assembled in Switzerland for precise fit. The multiple gear motor produces the slowest grinding action, 450 RPM, resulting in highest precision grinding from Turkish fine to percolator coarse. Lowest noise. Conical Burr Grinder. Click the link in the description below for more features. Cuisinner DBM8 Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill. Removable grind chamber holds enough ground coffee for 32 cups. Removable 8 ounces bean hopper. Includes scoop and cleaning brush. Electric timer automatically shuts off when grind cycle is complete. 18-position grind selector, 4 to 18 cup slide dial. Removable grind chamber holds enough ground coffee for 32 cups. Separate one-touch power bar, heavy-duty motor, and scoop/cleaning brush. Note: you will receive the identical item if you purchase the frustration-free or standard packaging item. DELONGHI Stainless Steel Burr Coffee Grinder with Grind Selector and Quantity Control. DELONGHI Black and Stainless Steel 4.2 ounces Conical Burr Grinder. The key to great tasting coffee is freshly ground beans, and you can have this delicious flavor every morning with the DELONGHI Burr Coffee Grinder. The burr grinding wheel creates a uniform texture for consistency and protects the oils for maximum flavor and aroma. Simply select your preferred setting with the grind and cup selector and press the on/off button. When grinding is complete, just remove the ground coffee container and pour directly into your coffee filter. It's that easy. If you want a specific amount of ground coffee, just use the quantity control knob and choose your selection. Cleaning is also a breeze with the convenient integrated brush. No worries about safety either with this grinder. It automatically shuts the unit off if the lid or ground coffee container is not in place. Other highlights include self-contained cord storage for clutter-free countertops. KitchenAid KCG07020B Burr Coffee Grinder, Onyx Black. Designed for the ultimate performance and reliability, the KitchenAid Burr Grinder uses stainless steel burrs to grind coffee consistently at any of the 15 available grind levels. The glass bean hopper holds up to 7 ounces of whole beans that you can quickly grind for French press coffee, automatic drip coffee makers, espresso, or anything in between. Mueller Hypergrind Precision Electric Coffee Grinder Mill with large grinding capacity and HD motor, also for spices, herbs, nuts, grains, and more. The Mueller Hypergrind Precision Electric Grinder lets you freshly grind your coffee beans and various spices without losing flavor. Grind whole coffee beans quickly and efficiently with our powerful coffee grinder. Instead of buying pre-ground coffee, try brewing your coffee with freshly ground beans. It will provide a rich aroma and full-bodied flavor for better tasting coffee. In addition to coffee beans, the versatile grinder can be used for chopping or grinding nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices. With its modern Eurocentric design, the Mueller Hypergrind Precision Coffee Grinder makes a welcome addition to any kitchen. Order today while supplies last. Hamilton Beach Edit 0335R Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder, 80,335. Hamilton Beach Custom Grind Coffee Grinders are ideal for precision coffee grinding, giving you the exact texture you want every time. Well-defined fineness settings guarantee perfect results, and clear cup markings ensure meticulous measuring. Hamilton Beach Coffee Grinder is easy to use and clean. They offer hands-free operation with auto shut-off as well as hideaway cords for easy storage. Some coffee bean grinders even include a stainless steel grinding chamber that comes out for easy cleanup in the dishwasher. Epica Electric Coffee Grinder and Spice Grinder Stainless steel blades and removable Grinding cup for easy pouring. Strongest motor on the market for fastest and most efficient grinding. Stainless steel grinding cup and blades. Removable grinding cup for easy pouring. Safety lock prevents operation when lid is open. Large activation button for extra comfort. Cord storage. 250 watts of power. Capacity 70 g/2.5 ounces coffee beans. Intelligent design features take the hassle out of grinding your own coffee, with a 250-watt motor that delivers a consistent, even grind every time. It doesn't get any faster or easier than this. CAPRESSO manual coffee grinder, conical burr mill, brushed stainless steel. Built-in adjustable grind selector with over 18 click settings ensures you have 100% precision control over the coarseness of your pour-over, drip, Chemex, cold brew, French press, percolator, AeroPress, Turkish, espresso, Keurig K-cup, herbs, or spice grind. No batteries, power, or long plastic cords needed to operate your portable compact coffee grinder, allowing you to travel with and brew freshly roasted ground coffee beans on your next camping, hiking, backpacking, or outdoors trip. Convenient removable hand crank mechanism consistently gets rid of over 90% of the sound that electric mills create. Think of grinding your favorite Java roast silently in a workplace work area or in your kitchen area when your loved ones are quick asleep. MR Coffee 12 Cuban Pesos electric coffee grinder with multi-settings, IDS77RB. The Mr. Coffee IDS77 coffee grinder makes personalizing 4 to 12 cups of coffee easy. You can choose your grind setting from fine to coarse, and the removable grinding chamber and wide opening lid create less mess and allow for easy pouring. The exclusive chamber-made TM cleaning system cleans grounds from chamber walls, leaving no messy residue and less coffee waste. For more info and discounts on the 10 best coffee grinders, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this presentation.